Tale of Whiskers, the Explorer. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village nestled between rolling hills and sparkling streams, there lived a curious gray cat named Whiskers. Whiskers wasn't an ordinary cat. He had a knack for adventure and a heart full of courage. While other cats in the village napped in the sun or played with balls of yarn, Whiskers dreamed of exploring the world beyond the village. One bright morning, as the sun peeked over the hills, Whiskers spotted something shiny glinting in the distance near the forest edge. His curiosity got the better of him, and he decided to investigate. He padded softly through the meadows, his tail swishing with excitement. As he got closer, Whiskers discovered the shiny object was an old, tarnished key. It lay beside a small, weathered map that looked as though it had been there for years. The map had a big red X drawn on it, marking a spot deep within the forest. Whiskers' green eyes lit up. Could this be the start of a treasure hunt? Without a second thought, he tucked the key under his collar, picked up the map in his teeth, and ventured into the forest. The tall trees whispered secrets to each other as the adventurous cat followed the winding trail. Along the way, he encountered friendly critters, a wise old owl who warned him about hidden traps, a cheerful squirrel who shared nuts, and a shy hedgehog who showed him a shortcut. After hours of trekking, Whiskers reached the spot marked on the map. There, under the roots of a massive oak tree, he found a small, rusty chest. Using the key, Whiskers unlocked it and peered inside. To his surprise, the chest wasn't filled with gold or jewels. It was full of little treasures like shiny buttons, colorful marbles, and a single silver bell. Whiskers smiled. While the treasure wasn't what he had expected, he realized the true reward was the adventure itself and the new friends he had made along the way. Proud of his discovery, he carried the bell back to the village, where it became his favorite toy and a reminder of his daring journey. From that day on, Whiskers became the village's most famous explorer, and every evening, the other cats would gather around to hear stories of his adventures, dreaming of their own. And so, Whiskers the Explorer lived happily, always ready for his next adventure. The end.